everyone and good day. Welcome to LifePill, the channel that lets you learn positive psychiatry and how it helps sustain the healthy minds of people like you so you will grow well in life. In a few days' time, I will be doing a webinar on mental health to unravel more our feelings and our thoughts on what is going on right now as we battle the pandemic and discover how we can sustain the healthy mind in the new academic environment. I know that we all had struggled a lot during this unprecedented time, and we can just hope for the best for all of us after this horrifying experience. So in that sense, allow me to encourage you and all my participants for the upcoming webinar on November 27, 2020 to engage with me through this teaser video. While we use YouTube so much for entertainment purposes, I know that we can also do so for educational purposes. So on that note, I will be asking you 3 essential questions for which you can comment down below your insights in the comment section of this video. Rest assured though that your reflections and your insights will be used solely for educational purposes. So are you guys ready? For question number 1, do you believe that you can make your experiences better in this time of pandemic? For question number 2, do you believe that we humans have the capacity to lessen or if not, eradicate the perils of social media? And lastly, for question number 3, do you agree that developing mental toughness is a form of self-care? Please comment your insights down below in the comments section, and I know for sure that that will help me improve my presentation and engage well with you in the upcoming webinar. And for all the audience out there, let me also know your thoughts and your feelings and your insights so we could grow a community that hopes for positivity in this terrifying world. Thank you so much for your attention, for your participation and cooperation. And once again, you're watching LifePill, and daghang salamat kaayo sa tanan nakong mga LifePill movers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and share LifePill's social media accounts. Remember to embrace positivity so you will grow well in life. Bye-bye!